In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to hide the contents of your notifications on your lock screen on your Android device. Now, do bear in mind that I'm using the Samsung S23 for this example, so the process from I'm about to show you might be a little bit different depending on the type of Android device that you're using, but generally speaking, it should be relatively similar. Now, when you do this, basically you'll be able to see the notifications that as they're coming through on your lock screen, but the contents of them are not going to be shown. So for example, if you receive a message, let's say from your mum or something like that, you will see the notification on your lock screen, but you're not actually going to be able to see what the message is. So let me just show you how to do that. Simply head over to settings and start searching for notifications. Now click on the first one that comes up and then click on lock screen notifications. And from here, you can basically choose to hide content or to show content. At the moment, it's on show content, so that means that if I receive a message from somebody, it will show what the message is on my lock screen. So in order to hide that, I can just press the hide content option right there, and it will automatically save. So next time I receive messages from Messenger, for example, on my lock screen, the contents of the notification or the message will not show. And yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know about hiding the contents of your notifications on your lock screen on Android. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to help.